I like tinkering, I like playing video games. I was usually, the tech kid, so it's helping people with the problems, designing cool things. So I was able to choose information technology as my main, game studies as my second emphasis. Video games is something I've always been interested in, and it would be a dream job for it to happen. This way I'm able to, teeter both of the guarantee of a good job, as well as, the possibility of my dream job. Since there's so much overlap between computer science and information science, a lot of the courses are just labeled as computer science, but the class, itself is important to both aspects. You need to have that basic understanding of programming language, and they usually start you off with Java, but there are different, coding languages that they will transfer you into depending on whatever the class is teaching, and that's a solid backbone that you need for anything. My favorite by far has to be the computer networking class, as it's enabled me to get actual hands-on experience for being a network engineer with their online course labs. In terms of game design, game development course, trying to make my own cohesive game with all the knowledge that I've accumulated so far. The jobs that I've had, the internship position as well as my position at the IT service desk here, have definitely helped me feel more prepared for the industry I'm going into. From that experience of being able to help all these different employees from the company with any tech problem at any time they contact IT place, is definitely a rewarding feeling that you don't really get anywhere else. What I really hope to do after I graduate is try to work as an IT specialist for the company of Gulfstream. I think it would be absolutely amazing to work for a company that's based around aviation, as I always found that, intriguing. Second place I would say I would hope to work for in terms of the game study side of things. There's a development company in London, Ontario that makes a famous video game called Warframe, and to work for a company where they make the game I've been playing for so long and to then finally say I've made it is something I really hope I can do one day.